Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In this video, I'm doing a leaky cup pour. And if you don't know what that is, that's okay. I'll explain it as I go. I'm using my cake spinner, and I like to start off with a shower cap on top of it to help protect it. Then I attach my canvas with 4 tiny pieces of double-sided foam sticky tape, and that will ensure it doesn't fly off as I spin it. Now I'm using a 12 by 12 inch canvas here, but you can use a larger or smaller canvas depending on how you want to modify your cake spinner, but it fits a 12 by 12 pretty easily. Now here's a leaky cup, and what that is a pouring tool that I actually make myself, and it's got a compartment on the top that you pour the paint into, and then some holes that leak the paint out into a really cool design. So that's why it's called a leaky cup, because it's basically a cup that leaks. Now I am using Mixed Media Girl pouring paint, and I actually ran out of white, so I'm not using any white in this, but I'm using all kind of warm colors and variants of purple. Now, one of the reasons I use the white is because it's a good opaque color, and it really helps the other colors to stand out. So essentially, in place of that, I used lilac, and then I used electric pink, electric purple, some pink tulip, and a little bit of garnet as well. So we've got just beautiful pinks and purples here. Now I wanted the electric purple to be basically the primary color of this, so I put a little extra in at the end. And I did forget to mention this, but I set my leaky cup up on a bottle cap before I started. You can absolutely set it down directly on the canvas and pour it through it that way, but I prefer to set it up on a cup or something similar so that it can basically fully close in the design in the middle. I took a stick and I made some lines through that design in the middle of my spinning process. I just thought it would look a little bit better. And then I just spun it out until I was happy. Now, kind of a pro tip here is as you're spinning, help the corners along a little bit. You can add more paint, but you can also just pull the paint out like I just did, and that will just help get your canvas fully covered. And one other pro tip with the leaky cup, I don't recommend doing a dirty pour with that, which is where you pour all your colors into one cup together and then pour it through the leaky cup. It gets a little bit muddy, so I recommend doing what I did here, which is called a clean pour, pouring the colors through one at a time. And then to clean the leaky cup, it's actually really easy. I just take a paper towel and wipe it off as much as possible, and usually just leave it at that, and then you can rinse it if you'd like. And here's how it looks dry. I actually liked this a lot more than I thought I was going to. It's really cool, very gorgeous. So hope you enjoy this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.